Watermelon burgers.
Okay, I've seen something like this before
Okay, you're going to bite on this one.
where they cut up the watermelon and kind of grill it like steaks.
That's what they're doing here.
Oh yeah, okay.
Go ahead.
Um,
Let us
and
hear it.
apparently it's delicious. It's really good. It doesn't taste like a steak,
Let us have it.
but it's very flavorful. Like it's a watermelon flavor, grilled. So
Yeah,
I would definitely try it.
Okay, so I'm willing to go to a certain point. This one, it maybe took it a little far for me.
Yeah.
Grilled watermelon sounds kind of like an interesting side dish,
Yeah.
but to make it the entire meal and to put it on a bun with toppings, whoa. That's that. There's a little mind bend happening there.
A fruit sandwich.
Fruit sandwich,
Yeah.
grilled. So anyway, I want to provide you with at least a couple of options here for your summer treats and
Hey,
your
I'm
summer
down.
and your summer refreshments. You may combine them. You could very well have yourself a watermelon burger grilled alongside a fizzy coffee, and it could be just a whole day type of event for you. Or you could put your money where your mouth is right now, and you could tell us that which one of these two you're going to try before the next episode.
Oh, I would definitely go for the watermelon burger.
Over the fizzy coffee.
Yeah. Yeah.
Interesting.
I'd like a meal.
Okay.
See this?
So you just promised to us that before the next Lou Later episode, you're going to try and report back
Well,
grilled watermelon.
where can I get this? Do I have
What do
to
you
make
mean?
it?
Yeah, you got to make
I
it.
gotta make it.
Grilled watermelon.
Oh, okay.
Okay, we'll give you a couple days on that.
All right. Yeah.
Grilled watermelon. You don't have to put it on a bun. No, you got to put it on a bun.
Yeah.
All right, you report back to us if this is the future. Scroll down to the next picture. It looks really expensive. Does
This
it?
is
That
pretty
look?
gourmet.
Yeah, it looks very gourmet because it almost looks like sushi, sort of, when it's grilled. It
Yeah.
sort of turns translucent a little bit,
Yeah.
but I just can't even imagine biting into that.
Very juicy.
I can't even imagine biting into that. Anyway, Will's going to figure it out so we don't have to.
All right.